Universal shorthand dictation 100 word per minute. The petitioners, along with other members of establishment of Sindh High Court, including private secretaries, personal assistant, and court associates, etc., have expressed their grievance against deduction of income tax on the judicial allowance and special judicial allowance from their salaries at source under section 149 of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 by the respondent number 4, that is Account General Sindh. According to petitioners, such deduction of tax is illegal as both these allowances are exempt from levy of income tax under section 39 part 1 to the second schedule to the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 para. It has been prayed that collection of income tax against judicial allowance and special judicial allowance from the petitioner's salary by the respondent number 4 may be declared to be illegal and without lawful authority, whereas in CP number D 1046 of 2019 filed by the petitioners and other members of the establishment subordinate judiciary of province of Sindh, similar grievance has been expressed by petitioners who have prayed for the same relief accordingly. However, in this petition, a separate legal ground in addition to above legal ground of exemption has been agitated by the petitioners, according to which judicial allowance and special judicial allowance are excluded from the purview of imposition of income tax under section 12 subsection 2c of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001. Therefore, no tax deduction can be made from the salary of the petitioners in respect aforesaid allowances. Para. In support of above submissions, reference to entry number 39 in part 1 schedule 2 to the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 has also been made, according to which any special allowance or benefit not being entertainment or conveyance allowance or other perquisite within the meaning of section 12 specially granted to meet expenses wholly and necessarily incurred in the performance of duties of an office or employment of profit is exempt from income tax. Therefore, according to petitioners, both these allowances are spent toward performance of duties of employment, hence exempt from withholding of tax under section 149 of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001.